Beautiful person, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am the Nddy Celestine. If you are new to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video. Subscription is completely free. Let's get right into today's video. If you are new to the channel, allow me to reintroduce myself and my hair. I went natural in 2018 when I first did the big chop, and I have grown my hair from big chop to waist length. I will have a picture or pictures here for you to see what it looks like. Right now my hair is tucked away in a bun because I am in the middle of a protective style hair growth challenge. Now let's get right into the video. Today I'm going to be letting you in on 4 reasons why your hair is not growing. Alright, I have my notepad here with me so that I do not forget any point. Reason number 1, detangling like it's World War II. Alright, you should not be detangling your hair dry. There are tons of videos on the internet and even here on my channel where I show you how to take care of your hair, how to properly detangle your hair. Do not detangle your hair dry. Do not detangle your hair, especially if you have an afro or type 4 hair, 4C hair, 4B hair. Don't detangle your hair in a single unit. Detangle your hair, gently in sections, and always start from the ends and detangle your way up to the roots. Do not start from the roots upwards, start from the ends, because if you start from the roots, you're going to bring down all the knots, all the tangles, the matted hair, the shed hair. You bring it down and it will tangle at the very bottom. But if you start from the ends and work your way up, then you're going to minimize breakage when you do so. And also use a conditioner that has slip, a good conditioner that has slip. Detangle your hair wet or damp with a good conditioner. Detangle in sections and be gentle with your hair. Reason number 2, destructive styles in the guise of protective styles. Stop doing tight hairstyles. When you do tight hairstyles or hairstyles that are not suitable for your kind of hair, your hair is going to break off. It's not every hair that you see on the internet that is going to be suitable for your hair. That there are certain hairstyles that if you do them, your hair is going to break off. Do not do hairstyles that are too tight. Do not do hairstyles that are too large on a single piece of hair. The weight of that extension will drag the hair down or drag the hair and pull out the hair from the roots. And make sure that you prep your hair before you undergo a protective style. Please do your research and only do hairstyles that are protecting your hair, a hairstyle that can protect your hair, a hairstyle that you can moisturize your hair whilst it is in the protective style. And for instance, there's this popular hairstyle, faux locks. It is not the perfect hairstyle for me, for instance, if I want to protect my hair, because I have seen tons of videos of people trying to take down this hairstyle and cutting and having their hair cut or damaged in the process. So if you're going to do that hairstyle, please ensure that you do your research properly and that your hairstylist is going to help you take down that hair properly, or you do your research on how to take it down properly so that you do not have your hair destroyed. But that particular hairstyle, I would not recommend it if you're trying to grow out your hair. Reason number 3 is neglecting scalp health. Your scalp is the slit where your hair grows out from. If you do not take care of your scalp, how do you expect the hair to grow, or how do you expect what grows out of your scalp to be healthy? Not oiling your scalp. You do not oil your scalp, you do not massage your scalp, you do not shampoo and cleanse your scalp to remove build-up. Please, doing these certain things will help your hair to grow out healthy. I have a video where I broke down how to incorporate these things I'm telling you into your hair care routine so that your hair can grow longer. You can check that video out. I am going to link it in the description box down below, where I talked about 4 things and 4 products that I use to grow my hair to waist length. The 4th reason is you have dry hair. if you are walking around with dry hair, your hair is going to break off. Now listen, your hair always grows. Hair is always growing, all right? It's just that the name of the game is length retention. You have to retain whatever length that you have, whatever hair you have grown out. If you are not growing out if you are not retaining your length, you're not going to see any growth. And if your hair is dry, it's going to break off and you are not going to see any length, any retention, any hair growth, any progress. Please ensure that you are moisturizing your hair, deep condition your hair regularly with moisturizing conditioners, and moisturize and seal your hair on a regular basis with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner or moisturizer, and seal it in with an oil or a butter to lock in moisture. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you need more tips on how to grow your hair, how to maintain and grow your hair, I have a list of videos here on my channel that you can check out. I will leave videos down in the description box below so that you can check out, and I am so happy to help you grow your hair, help you out on this hair care journey. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will be sure to respond and help you out as you go. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Until next time, rock your curls with confidence. Please don't forget to like, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video.